Here's how to download Instagram Reels video. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't miss any important steps. First, open your Instagram account. Then click on the Reels option or Reels icon at the bottom menu. After that, here you will be able to view the Reels of other people. Now, to download the Reel, click on the Share option. Here you will be able to view the option of copy link at the bottom. Click on it. After copying link, now go back and open your browser. If you are using Apple, then you can go to the Safari browser. Here in your browser, search for the Instagram Reel downloader. Now click on the very first link at the top. Here paste your URL and click on the download option next to it. Moving on, click on the download now option. After clicking onto this option, here you will be able to view this menu. You have to simply block this ad. And as you can see, our video has been started to download. Wait for the time until the video is being downloaded. So that's how to download Instagram Reel videos.